Kaya mga blanco. Hindi mo na cannot pass a law with blank.
It has to be completely understood.
That is not allowed. Mag-ano pa yung tao, ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Ano bang ilagay natin dito? In the same manner, yung mga blanco-blanco dyan corresponds to that particular item is free to just fill up the amount. Eh, para ka binigyan ka ng blanco check it dyan. O sige, bahala na kung ano ilagay ninyo.
Yes.
Sir, kunin lang po namin yung reactions ninyo regarding
Yung?
reactions niyo, sir, regarding sa allegation po ni former President Duterte regarding sa blank item.
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without any with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie.